Hmm. So hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Sumarak Luna here for another toy review. So, i-review natin guys ang action figure na to, na build a figure, parang build a figure na rin na, which is from Blowkeys. This is from the game na Marvel Rival. So, the Marvel Rivals na game is a 5 on 5 para sa mga hindi nakakaalam, and sa mga gustong sumubok, para sa mga tito gamers dyan, it's a 5 on 5 versus game which consists of Marvel characters. So, ang alam ko, based sa previous kong nalaro last year pa ako nakapaglaro, is the game is cross-platform from PS5, then meron din sa PC, and nakalimutan ko yung isa. Basta cross-platform sila sa PlayStation and then sa desktop or sa PC. Alright, so napakaganda ng laro guys. Isa sa mga favorite character ko, number 1, dahil nung linaro ko wala pa si Ghost Rider doon, I think wala pa din hanggang ngayon, is si Venom. Si Venom kasi doon is somehow a tank build character siya. Pwede din pang ang tawag pang stun, and pwede din magpang multi-kill naman din. Pero for me, more on a build siya ng tank. And ang nakakatuwa din sa kanya is that may minimal na regenerative power siya. Napaka-konti lang. Kaya, bili ko to nung nag-release ang Blowkeys para ma-try out yung figure. So, this one, guys, is a 5.9 inches tall action figure. Kasama rin yung Venom tentacles or Trendils kung tawagin. Alright. Now, this one, it's a snap fit build figure ang dating niya. Hindi buff hindi buff. Snap build, parang gunpla ang dating. So, if you notice some previous videos that I've made, lahat sila binibuild from Blowkeys. So they release a bunch of characters, not just from Marvel. They have Star Wars. They have as well Transformers. Yan. So madami ring line na in-incorporate. Meron din silang mga 3.75 figures na napaka-liit, kumbaga. Yan. So, yan ang Blowkeys, guys. So, eto guys, total hours ng build ko is at around 1.20 minutes, 1 hour and 25 minutes all. Base experience ko yesterday, hindi pala yesterday, kanina lang madaling araw. Dahil yung parts niya, okay, kasi medyo sweaty lagi ang hands ko, madulas para sa akin. So, doon lang ako nahihirapan magkabit pag mag-i-snap fit. Pero overall, napakaganda nito. Napakaganda ng details pag buo mo na. Alright? 19 runners with the different types or pieces that you need to connect or to build para ma-acquire mo itong napakaangas na Venom from the Marvel Rival series. Alright? So, meron siyang 42 points of articulation. Bakit 42? Dinaig pa niya Marvel Legends. Dahil guys, from the tentacles itself, pa lang guys, namumove na itong mga parts na to. Namumove yan. Each part consists of movable joints, kaya dahil sa connector. At the same time, yung ang na hindi natin expected is movable. This one, pakita ko lang ha. Itong dila na to guys, napakaangas. Movable yan. Natatanggal. Pwede mong i-post kahit saan, up and down, left and right. Wala akong masabi. Oh, sorry. Then, butterfly joints na pagdating sa shoulders dito. Kasi nga, yung peg connector niya, mahaba. Okay? Hindi siya kagaya ng regular butterfly joints ng Marvel Legends. To be exact ha. Pero, napakaangas oh. na i-stretch mo. Hanggang dito sa likod yung tentacles na yan, guys. Can be movable halos lahat. Right? Double jointed na rin ang elbows niyan. Yan. And ang knees for better, kung kagaya na nakita nyo, better bending and pose, either kneeling pose or squatting position, sorry. Yan, napakaganda guys, napakaangas. Yung head, yan, hindi nga lang, ito, napakaangas ng head. Tinanggal ko lang. Makita nyo. Pati yan, yung mandible niya, kahit paano, yan, articulated din. Diba? Movable. Hindi lang siya nakakado ng 360 degrees dahil yung ulo yung sa turning, kasi doon sa build ng upper torso niya, dito siya shreds niya, yan dito, umaharang. Pero, napakaganda. Meron niyang ab swivel, okay, ab crunch, nakita nyo naman, and, meron din yan, medyo tight lang, yung hip swivel niya, ayan, diba? Napakadaming articulation, and ito pa guys, ito nakakatuwa sa kanya, yung sa hips niya, meron niyang pull down hips for deep stance para dito sa tights. Ayan, makikita ninyo. Ayan, napupull siya para mas maganda yung pag nagbe-bend ng articulation poses niya. Ayan. Sobrang angas. Ang nakakalungkot lang is wala siyang flight stand kagaya nito. At least meron akong extra flight stand. Kasi mas maganda siyang may flight stand din para alam mo yung tentacles kung ipopose mo na yun yung ginagamit niya pag lakad. Magandang sana naglagay ang Blowkeys ng flight stand. Now, pagdating naman sa feet part, maganda din to kasi bakit? Yung toes niya articulated dahil bendable siya. Ayan. Nabe-bend. Ang datingan niya is parang naging MCF ang dating dito sa foot part. Nag-bendable siya. At solid. Pag nabuo niya siya, solid, napakaganda. Okay ang joints naman dito. Yung ball peg niya can do 360 degrees. Ayan. So, ang meron lang siya is a alternate right arm. Take note guys, right arm, which is yung attack tentacles niya kung tawagin. Balik ko lang siya guys. Diyan ka muna, Venu. Ito. Ayan. Ito attack tentacles niya. Pang right arm lang siya. Okay? Is sa left arm. Banggan doon sa side ng left arm. After itong side na to. Kinip mo. Okay. And hindi magiging magandang pagkaka-post nyong kumbaga. So, ayun guys. Ito, napasulit. So, for me guys, dahil Venom collector ako, and so far, sa lahat ng nakuha kong Blowkeys, for me, this is more than a 10 out of 10. Okay guys. As a figure, as a build a figure, okay, ito masasabi ko napakaganda ng Blowkeys na to. More than 10 dahil articulation pa lang niya, umaabot ng 42 points of articulation. At the same time, detail wise, kuwang-kuha niya yung sa Marvel Rivals na game. Okay? Now, sa Marvel Legends Rivals kasi dalawang skin niya usually. This one is the first skin, second skin is the blue one. So hopefully, baka din gumawa sila ng blue version. Let's wait and see. But for now, this is superb work from Blowkeys. Big shoutout sa Blowkeys guys. More than 10 out of 10 to para sa akin. Sabihin natin 20 out of 20 na to. Or 20 out of 10. Napakasulit. Napakaganda. Kasi lahat articulated from the tentacles, head, shoulders, legs, may biceps swivel pa yan. Saan ka pa? Lahat. May ab crunch, and meron pang hip swivel, and meron din ab swivel pa. Oh, lahat na. Meron, kompleto, detalye, kompleto articulation. So guys, kung magko-collect kayo ng Blowkeys and fan kayo ng Marvel, try nyo i-check out to. Yung Blowkeys Marvel rival na Venom. Meron na rin silang Spider-Man, guys. Right? So again, this is Sumurak Luna. Hope you enjoyed this quick toy review of our Blowkeys Marvel Rivals game. Venom action figure. Okay. Out. Thank you for watching. Please do like and follow my page on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and even on YouTube for more toy unboxing and toy review. Happy collecting and collect responsibly, guys. See ya. Bye.